Jai Srimannarayana. 14th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yada sattve pravruddhe tu pralayam yati dehabhrut तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते। ओम Realize that if the Sattvika Gunam is predominant at the time of departure from the body, those souls will get to be born into a family again where all the people are self-realized souls. So that is why it is always suggested to keep on practicing to see that Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in us. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on practicing to see that Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in me. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 275th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, one of those days, only Krishna, Balarama did not join. Only Krishna along with cows and Gopalas went to Yamuna river banks. There cows and Gopalas, they drank water from Yamuna, Jalam Papuhu. That water dushtam vishadushitam, that water was mixed with poison. Because of that, because they drank the poisonous water, the Gopalas and cows, all of them fainted and gone into unconsciousness. Then Krishna Paramatma Vikshya Tanvai Tadha Bhutan Krishno Yogeshwareswaraha Ikshaya Amruta Varshinya. Krishna Paramatma, he has seen all of them got fainted. All the Gopalas and cows, they just believe in Krishna, they trust Krishna, they totally depend on Krishna. Realizing that fact, Krishna Paramatma Yogeshware Sundu Yogi Vandyudu Krishnudu Ikshanamrutadhara Lelami Gurisi. Krishna Paramatma, the one who is the master for all the yogis, the one who is worshipped by all the yogis, such Krishna Paramatma, he showered his grace. He has seen all the cows and Gopalas. In his vision, there comes nectar. That nectar was showered on all the Gopalas and cows. So with the nectar-like divine vision which came out from eyes of Sri Krishna Paramatma got showered on all the Gopalas and cows, then Svanadhan Samajivayat Pasula Gopakulanu Bratikinche Maralanga. By showering his grace, his vision, Krishna Paramatma made all the cows and Gopalas again came back into conscious and they all became alive. After that, all the Gopalas started looking at each other and got shocked and surprised. And then they realized, Govinda Anugrahekshitam. They realized that this is all happening because of Krishna Paramatma's Anugraham, Govinda's Anugraham. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 14th sloka. Yada sattve pravruddhetu pralayam yati deha bhrut tadottama vidam lokan amalan pratipadyate. Yada sattve pravruddhetu pralayam yati deha bhrut tadottama vidam lokan amalan pratipadyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.